Hey everyone! Hope you're having an excellent day. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to sync and net contacts to your smartwatch using the HryFine app on an Android device. Before we begin, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. A crucial step is verifying that the application has the necessary permissions, especially location and contacts. To do this, long press the HryFine icon. Go to the app info, select to permissions, and enable both location and contacts. This last one is what allows us to transfer your phone book to the watch. Once the permissions are configured, open the app and go to the Set or Configure tab. If your watch doesn't show up as connected yet, select Bind Device to start scanning. A quick tip: if your smartwatch doesn't appear in the list, I recommend factory resetting the watch and trying the search again from the application. With the watch successfully paired, enter the Set Hand Rings or a Device Settings option, and then go to Phone Books or Phone Directory. When you tap the contacts icon, you will see two alternatives. The first one is Add, where you can manually register a name and phone number. The second option is Import, which allows you to browse and pull contacts directly from your phone. Remember, for this to work, it is mandatory to have enabled the contact permission I mentioned at the beginning of the video. Just select the numbers you want to sync and tap Accept or Determine. And that's it. With these simple steps, you will have your contacts available right on your smartwatch. If this tutorial was helpful to you, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Huge shout out to everyone, and see you in the next video.